Hello, everyone. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to manage notifications on LinkedIn. And I've actually done videos like this, several different kinds, talking about the different types of notifications you can receive and how to manage them. In today's video, I'm going to actually combine everything. So it's going to be the notifications you receive on LinkedIn.com as well as email notifications, because those seem to be the ones that irritate people the most. And basically, when you come to LinkedIn.com, you should see something like this. This is your home feed. By default, these are the posts that people have been posting on LinkedIn, and you can scroll through them and see them. What I'm interested in are the notifications. And look for the icon that looks like a bell and click on that. And this will show recent notifications on LinkedIn.com. Now, it's worth mentioning the LinkedIn.com notifications may not be the same as the LinkedIn email notifications. That is, the emails you're getting sent by LinkedIn. And also, managing the notifications on LinkedIn.com will not affect the notifications you receive on the email. So, in other words, they have to be managed separately, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So, first of all, here are the notifications I'm seeing on LinkedIn.com. Sometimes people are liking a post I posted. Sometimes people are replying to a comment that I posted. Sometimes my friends are doing something, like this person, she's starting a new job. That's great. I can say congratulations. Other people sharing an update. Sometimes people change their profile information or their profile photo. That will show up here. And sometimes you may think, geez, I like receiving notifications about responses to my comments, or somebody did XYZ, but I don't like receiving other types of notifications. And actually, I'll tell you, I really don't like receiving birthday notifications or work anniversary notifications, which show up a lot on this screen. Here's how to change it. First of all, on the left, you may see something that says View Settings, improve your notifications, View Settings. So that's one way to get to it. The other way to get to it is to click on Me, Settings and Privacy, Communications, Notifications on LinkedIn. Click Change. Okay, so here are the different types of notifications I'm receiving. Activity in your network. So here's the different types of notifications I'll receive on LinkedIn.com, including birthdays, job changes, work anniversaries, connections mentioned in the news, blah, 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 new followers. That's great. I do not want to see birthdays, so I will toggle that off. I do not want to see work anniversaries. I will toggle that off too. And the reason is not because I think it's bad that people are having a work anniversary, but I have 600 or 700 people in my network. So every day somebody's having a work anniversary. The big ones are important. Yeah, if someone's been working someplace for 20 years or 25 years or 10 years, I'd like to see that. But if someone's been at a position for 6 years, it's kind of like a big deal. So I want to turn that off. And then you can go back, click on this arrow, activity that involves you. You can turn these on or turn these off. So confirmation of your post, I don't need to see that. Skill endorsements, I like that. I'll keep that. Who's viewed your profile? I can turn that on or off, etc., etc. So that's how to handle the LinkedIn.com notifications. Let's talk about email. So a lot of people, when they sign up for email, they're kind of surprised by how often LinkedIn will spam them with email. Sometimes it's like to encourage them to check out LinkedIn, to check out what's going on. Other times it seems like it's random notifications about what people in your network are doing. And here's how to manage those. So basically, you do the same thing. You go to, actually, let's go back. Go to Me, Settings and Privacy, Communications, Email Frequency. Choose what types of emails you wish to receive from LinkedIn. Click Change. Okay. Activity in your network, activity that involves you, news and articles. You can see I've already restricted some of this. So activity in your network. So everybody by default gets Network Updates Digest. This is like what people are doing. And this is just spam. I don't have enough time, so I turn that off. Invitations and messages. Let's see what types of invitations I get. Messages from connections. Yes, I do want to receive that, because if someone sends me an important message, it happens via LinkedIn. I do want to get an email about that. Profiles sent to you. I don't need to see that. So I deselected that. So I will no longer receive emails about this. Jobs and opportunities. Alerts about jobs you may be interested in. So if I were actively looking for work, I might actually check this off, and then I would get a periodic email about jobs that may interest me. But I'm not. I'm happy in my job. Referrals for jobs at your company. I don't need to get emails about that. job suggestions from connections. I don't need to receive emails about that, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So you can go through and really kind of fine tune the emails you want to get from LinkedIn. By the way, if you check out our book, LinkedIn in 30 Minutes by author Angela Rose, we do have a chapter on changing some of these settings and how to manage LinkedIn notifications more in a better way, and also how to just to optimize your profile and get the most out of LinkedIn. It's available at in30minutes.com. Thank you so much for watching.